Hi everyone, today I'm making GauI BØP or beef shank salad. It is a pretty easy dish to make, but it's always a hit if you bring to a drinking table. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
You will need about 10 ounces or 300 grams of onion. You can use yellow or red onion, cut into really thin slices. To the onion, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix really well and set aside for about 30 minutes. Then we will have some sweet and sour onion pickles. Here I have 2 whole beef shank, which weighs around 2 pounds or 900 grams. It's important that you buy the whole shank like this for this dish, and therefore ask your butcher for it. Place the shanks into a pressure cooker and fill it with enough water to cover. Then smash about 20 grams of ginger and then also drop into the pot. Bring to a boil and then cover the lid and lower the heat. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes and turn off the heat. When the pressure cooker cools down completely, open the lid and take out the beef. Look at this, it shrinks really a whole lot. Let it cool down and then thinly slice against the grain. I really love beef shank because of the chewy texture and also the beautiful marble effect it has on every beef slice. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can also use a normal pot, but you need to cook a lot longer, about 40 to 50 minutes until it's fork tender. Do not overcook the beef though, because if it's too soft, it's very difficult to cut into slices like this. Next, in a mortar and pestle, combine some garlic, chili, 20 grams of ginger, half a teaspoon of sugar, and crush really fine into a paste. Stir to dissolve. Okay, so the onion has been soaking for about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna squeeze out the excess moisture and then combine with the beef. Add a few tablespoons of the ginger fish sauce first and give it a good toss. Then add about 2 cups of chopped mint leaves and then toss really well. That smells good and spicy. Now transfer it to a serving plate. Add a few chili slices for more color and heat and some more roasted peanuts on top. You can serve this with some prawn crackers and of course a few bottles of beers. Cheers everyone! The beef is succulent, slightly chewy. As it absorbs the ginger fish sauce, it's so flavorful and spicy. Really good. This recipe, together with so many other pho and noodle recipes, can be found in my cookbook, Simply Pho, which is available now on Amazon and all other bookstores on and offline. You can click on the link to grab one now if you haven't already. Otherwise, just click subscribe and turn on the bell button so you won't miss my next video when it comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.